Congratulations, Lindsay, from Mommy Arias.
Maraming salamat po sa inyong lahat. Paalala
Good afternoon.
ang mga upuan din po.
Pwede po sa gitna.
Kung
Pwede po sa gitna.
pakihakot na din po yung mga grades sa room po ng grades. Uli po, kami po ay nagpapaalala.
Close my eyes and I can see the world that's waiting up for me, that I call my own. Through the dark, through the door, through where no one's gone before, but it feels
Maaari na din po kayong magpicturan.
Congratulations on your graduation day. I'm so proud of you for everything you accomplished, and can't wait to see you what amazing things you'll do in the future. I will do everything to give you a future. Mommy loves you very much and stand well. Even when I'm not there on your graduation day, I hope you understand that all our dreams and going through abroad are all for you. I love you, Ate Lindsay. I love you, Ate Sonia. It's for your day. And congratulations! Congratulations! Happy birthday! Ate Lindsay, Lindsay, congratulations! Galing ka sa mga sa iyo yan at sa mga at mami niya. Mami. Lindsay, anong masasabi mo? Okay. Ano masasabi mo kay tita?
Thank you po. Miss-miss po natin kayo. Umuwi na po kayo.
Okay. Ay, tita, ano pong masasabi niyo sa sorpresa na ibinigay sa inyo?
Naluluha ako. Natutuwa ang hindi ko maintindihan. Pinausap mo. Para may kabado eh. Pero ngayon nalaman ko, naiiyak kasi talaga.
Okay po. Sa inyo po, tita?
Ay, na-prank mo ako din ha. Kala ko kung sino yung kausap ni Inay.
Okay po. Salamat po, tita.
Promise you I'll always be there. I'll love you always through the highs and the lows, in every season as our story grows. No matter what comes, no matter what stays, you're my forever. I'll love you always.